30 WD-40 tricks that save you thousands in car repairs. Have you ever been stuck with a car repair bill so high you felt your wallet just had a heart attack? Maybe your battery died on the coldest morning of the year, or your window refused to roll up during a rainstorm, or worse, your mechanic quoted you thousands for something you know could have been prevented. What if I told you that a simple $6 can of WD-40 sitting in your garage right now could prevent many of those disasters? That's right. This everyday spray isn't just for squeaky hinges. It can protect your car from hidden damage, extend the life of parts, and even save you from repair bills worth thousands. So today, I'm counting down 30 WD-40 tricks that every car owner should know, from life-saving emergency fixes to smart preventative hacks. And stick with me, because the #1 trick is one most drivers never think about, until it's too late. 30 seatbelt saver hack. Daily example. You grab your seatbelt and it moves like molasses. That's not a broken spring, it's dirt buildup. Spray WD-40 into the slot, pull the belt in and out, and watch it snap back like new. Savings, 200+ dealer replacement avoided. 29. Window track rescue. Ever had a window that stops halfway when it's pouring rain? Chances are the tracks are dirty and the motor is straining. WD-40 in the tracks restores smooth movement. Savings, prevents $300–500 motor burnout. 28. Rust prevention in hidden spots. Everyone worries about rusty bumpers, but the real killers hide under door seams, in hood latches, and in wheel wells. A quick spray keeps rust from creeping in. Savings, thousands in body shop rust repair. 27. Sticker and adhesive remover. You just bought a car, but the dealer plastered their logo on the trunk. Instead of scraping and scratching paint, spray WD-40 and wipe it clean. Savings, 100+ detailing job. 26. Frozen lock winter rescue. Picture this. It's -10 cracks, you're late for work, and your key won't turn. WD-40 in the lock prevents ice buildup and keeps it turning smoothly. Savings, $100 locksmith call avoided. 25. Battery terminal shield. That white gunk on your battery? That's corrosion. Left alone, it causes weak starts or dead batteries. Spray WD-40 after cleaning to create a moisture shield. Savings, longer battery life plus avoid surprise breakdowns. 24. Rodent wire protection. Ever open your hood and see chewed wires? Rats love the soy coating on modern wiring. WD-40's smell deters them from chewing. Savings, $2,000 wiring harness repair. 23. Tire sidewall defense. Sunlight cracks and dries rubber. WD-40 restores a dark finish and protects against UV cracking. Savings, extends tire life, saving $500–800 for a new set. 22. Sunroof and moonroof track care. Imagine your sunroof jamming halfway open in the rain. Spray WD-40 on the rails to prevent binding and wear. Savings, $1,000 plus motor replacement avoided. 21. Exhaust and chrome cleaner. Exhaust tips blackened with soot? WD-40 wipes carbon right off and leaves a protective shine. Savings, $550 detailing bill. 20. Fuel cap seal protector. Ever had your check engine light come on for no reason? A cracked fuel cap gasket could be the culprit. WD-40 keeps the seal soft and leak-free. Savings, $200 plus in unnecessary diagnostics. 19. Trailer hitch and connector protection. If you tow, rusty trailer plugs and hitches are common. WD-40 prevents corrosion and keeps everything smooth. Savings, wiring repair or hitch replacement avoided. 18. Headlight seal guard. Foggy headlights aren't always from outside. Sometimes it's condensation inside. WD-40 along seals prevents leaks. Savings, $300 plus headlight unit replacement. 17. Spark plug wire moisture guard. Ever notice your car misfiring after rain? Moisture on spark plug wires is often the cause. WD-40 repels water and restores smooth ignition. Savings, $150 plus tune-up avoided. 16. Hood and trunk latch saver. A stuck hood latch can turn a simple oil check into a nightmare. WD-40 keeps cables moving and prevents rust. Savings, $200 plus dub avoided. Instead of expensive sprays, buff WD-40 onto glass. Rain beads off instantly, improving visibility. Savings, $15 plus on water repellent products. 14. Car jack and tool protection. Flat tire at night, but your rusty jack won't turn. WD-40 on your jack and roadside tools keeps them working in emergencies. Savings, $100 plus tow truck call. 13. Door handle and key cylinder care. Sticking handles and locks are a pain. A spritz of WD-40 restores smooth action. Savings, $150 handle lock replacement avoided. 12. Washer jet cleaner. Spray WD-40 into clogged windshield nozzles. Restores full spray and avoids replacing the pump. Savings, $80 part plus labor. 11. Backup camera lens protector. Raindrops blurring your rear view camera? A WD-40 wipe makes the lens water repellent. Savings, clear view plus no need for costly hydrophobic coatings. 10. Exhaust hanger rubber saver. Exhaust rattling under your car? Those rubber hangers dry and crack. WD-40 keeps them flexible. Savings, $150 repair. 9. Spare tire release mechanism. SUV truck owners know the nightmare of a seized spare tire crank. WD-40 keeps the cable system rust-free. Savings, emergency roadside hassle plus repair costs. 8. Sliding door and liftgate tracks. Power doors liftgate strain on dirty rails. WD-40 keeps them smooth and motor-friendly. Savings, $600 plus motor replacement. 7. Rust in the rails is the culprit. Power seats struggling to move? Rust in the rails is the culprit. WD-40 restores smooth travel. Savings, $400 seat motor. 6. Wiper arm and pedal hinges. Annoying squeaks from pedals or wipers? WD-40 silences them instantly and reduces wear. Savings, replacement components plus peace of mind. 5. Convertible roof frame care. Convertibles rely on dozens of small hinges. WD-40 keeps them flexible and prevents binding. Savings, thousands in convertible roof repairs. 4. Trunk weather seal care. Water leaking into your trunk can ruin carpets and electronics. WD-40 on rubber seals keeps them soft and watertight. 3. Roof rack and crossbar bolts. Rusty roof rack bolts seize over time. WD-40 protects them so you can adjust or remove racks. Savings, avoid snapped bolts and costly labor. 2. Interior switch saver. Power mirror or seat switch sticking. A tiny spritz loosens dirt without replacing the whole panel. Savings, $200 switch assembly. 1. Classic car seat rail protections. If you own an older car, rusty seat rails are common. WD-40 preserves them, keeping your interior functional. Savings, expensive restoration avoided. Bonus hack, daily tool and bike saver. WD-40 isn't just for cars. Use it on bikes, garage tools, even lawnmowers. One can, dozens of uses. So there you have it, 30 WD-40 tricks that can literally save you thousands in car repairs. From frozen locks in winter, to saving your battery in summer, to protecting your car against rodents. It's crazy how much this little blue and yellow can actually does. Which one surprised you the most? Was it the rodent protection, or the seatbelt fix? Let me know in the comments below. If you found even one of these hacks useful, smash that like button, because chances are, it'll help another driver out there avoid a big repair bill. And don't forget to subscribe for more car-saving tips and tricks, because why pay thousands at the mechanic when you can solve it yourself with a $6 can? Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the cheapest solution is also the smartest.